Diesel Lake Garage, we checking you in for another late night one. Right now, it's not a tow that we gotta go on. It's the car that I went earlier to jump. Doing a quick check-in. We done made it to the scene of the crime. I'm about to get this, deep creep. I put it on everything. About to lock my doors, cause around here in the hood, you never know who gonna walk up on your car. And then we about to get in here and get on it. I'm gonna hook up the quesos and we get straight to the action. These are like, yeah, baby, you know how we do. See if it start up, I'll put the twos up. I don't want to jinx it, not put the two, but that's what we want. Lights, camera, action. There we go, success. again, just to make sure, just, it's brand new, you spent the money. There we go, success. Diesel Ape Garage, we did it again. It's a late night, we got the Cobalt done, it's starting up successfully, so you know what that means? That's mission accomplished. It's time to go home and celebrate. Diesel Ape, we out. Diesel to the Ape to the garage. We checking in with you early with another one, man. Last night I went and worked on a car, put a starter on the car, and it was successful. At least I thought it was. You'll see in the vlog that I drop about it. But then the moment that a lot of mechanics hate, you work on a vehicle, you think everything's good, the importance of triple, double, quadruple checking your work, and you get a call that something's going wrong. Now, we hate it, but I'm gonna get out here and see what the deal is. She said she was driving, the power and everything to the car started killing over and going out. So I'm gonna get up here and I'm just hoping it's as simple as I left something loose. But when I work, I make sure everything's tight. Do a double check, that's snug. Do a triple check, that bolt's there. But somehow my double, triple, quadruple check has yet again failed. So I'm gonna go out here and see if it's something on my behalf. I'm hoping it's something that I did and I did leave loose. But in most fields, you'll do some work for somebody and then something else get to happening that might not even have anything to do with you. It could have been going on before the car or happened before or never happened, but this is one of the moments that a mechanic, me, myself, I'm not a mechanic, but I know mechanics hate when this happens. When that customer calls and they said this happened and that happened and you be like, damn, I put a headlight in your car. You mean to tell me your windshield wipers aren't working? How many people had that moment? Man, I put a sticker on your back windshield. You mean to tell me your car's not starting this morning? It don't add up. Stuff just don't be adding up. It happens sometimes. But needless to say, this is probably not one of those moments. I'm gonna go out here. I'm gonna hope that it was something that I did. Once again, let loose, battery cable, starter wire, who knows? But we about to get on this road. It's a rainy day. I'm gonna check y'all in. We're gonna pull up to the scene of the crime. We're gonna open up. We're gonna look at the battery cables. I'm gonna get up under the car, might even jack it up just to make sure that everything I did, once again, is tight. And that the issue that's further down the line is something that maybe originated itself or came to fruition on its own. But Diesel Ape, we out. We about to get up that road. This is gonna be one of those days. It's wet, it's raining, the city messing with me. It's gonna be one of them days, man. You know what to do. We checking in when we get to that crime. Diesel Ape, we have made it, as I say, to the scene of the crime. I'm about to grab a couple of tools, check some connections, and I'll see what we got going on, man, because I don't like for someone to be stranded after I done some work to their car, and you know, they might feel that the work that I did has something to do with them being stranded. So one thing Diesel Ape is not gonna do is leave you on the side of the road on my behalf. So now what I'm gonna do, we're gonna check all the connections and make sure everything is everything. Stick y'all right here, give y'all a little live show of what's going on. You see, that's all tight. And now, nothing up under there loose. Now let's see. So everything is definitely tight. Turn the headlights on. Turn the windshield wipers on. Turn the heat on radio up, make it use as much power as possible.